Or right now, I'm going to show you how to use the Troop4 online trading post. So when you head over to troop4tradingpost.com, it might take a little while to load, but once you get on there, you're going to click the Shop for Gear Now button. And once you're here, you can see we have about 7 products that you can choose from. Choose any items that you want to add to your cart. If it's a t-shirt, you're going to have to choose your size before you add it to the cart. So I just clicked on this short sleeve t-shirt, click adult medium, it'll show you the price, add to your cart. Now I can go up here and you can see it's going to have everything on here automatically. So in my cart. So now when I proceed to checkout, just make sure that you put your Scout's name over here. See under Scout's name section, you'll notice that there is a small credit card processing fee that we're going to have to charge if you use a credit card. But if you use Bring Cash to Meeting or check payments, then you don't have to worry about that fee. But you'll have to pay before you pick up your gear. So if you are a new family in our troop, I'm just going to go here and clear my shopping cart real quick. So yeah, if you're a new family and you're looking to get your free gear, you can go to the New Members tab. And on this page, it's going to have a bunch of instructions on what you need to do just in case, but I'm just going to show you how to do it in this video. So I'm going to first add the Troop 4 ball cap to the cart. That's one of our 2 free items that you get just being a Troop 4 member. And then I'm going to go to the Select Options tab right here, choose your child's size. And if you have more than one scout that's just joining the troop, then you're going to have to make sure you do this process for each. So right here, we're good. I'm going to go up to my cart. And you're going to see it looks like it wants to charge you. But what you're going to do is in the coupon code section, put in the code FREE class B, click apply coupon, and you'll see you have a $0 total right here. So click proceed to checkout. And you can just click place order after you enter in your scout's name for delivery and your email and your address. That's just for the credit card billing, but you don't really have to worry about that, but it's just nice for us to have your address just in case we had to do a drop off or something like that. Just worst case scenario. So yeah, fill in your address and your information, and then you'll be all good. All right, thank you for watching this tutorial.